Yes. So you write down the original answer first, then you round. Very good. Okay. So you have done the what? You have done the black over here, right? You have done this part already, right? Half hemisphere, right?
Yeah.
So what other surface you have? Can you see that you have the cone here? What's the surface area of a cone? Can you see the red one? I'm shading. So what is the surface area of cone formula? So this one is considered the what? So basically for this one you cannot use the top, base, front, back, left, right method. You need to do one by one. So this one is considered the cone. So what is the surface area of cone formula?
Pi RL.
Yep, pi RL, which I saw it here. So it's pi times 1.6 times the 3.8. So 3 significant figure. Okay, so you are not supposed to give the 3 significant figure without writing down the original one, but I just take it as it is first, okay? So it's 19.1. So which other surface we have overlooked or we have not done yet in the figure? Can you shade it using blue? Can you shade it using yellow or blue or whatever? Other than black and red? Yes. So how do you, by the way, this one is, you have to minus off the, so basically this one is this. Okay, if I get the blue one out, right, is this. You have the big one with the radius, what's the radius? 3.06. And then you have the small one, which is inside, then it is 1.6. And then you are asked to find the blue one. The blue one is actually here. How do you find the blue one? Use the big one minus the
Small one.
correct. So the big one is pi, I'm so sorry. The big one is pi r square, and the r is 3.06 square. The small one, this is the big one, big one. And the small one is also pi r square, but this r is, which r is 1.6. So you just take this minus this, that will give you the blue one. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So this is the blue part. So after that, what you do, blue part, add with the 19.2, then add with the cone. So these three add together, you will get the total surface area. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Does it make sense? Yes. Yes. So for this question, we cannot use the top, base, front, back, left, right. We need to shade and then give. Okay. So the top is here. The top is here, which is this 19. So if I need to write down, so top is 19.2, found by you over here. Then the cone is here, 19.1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then of course the blue part is we have not finished yet, but we have the calculation here already. Then later you just add these three up. Does it make sense? Does it make sense to you now? Okay, good. So with this, I've taught you how to solve questions like this, and this is very likely to be your end of year question. So what's the key to solve these questions?
You need to solve. You need to know the formula.
Yes. Volume of sphere, volume of cone. Surface area of cone, surface area of sphere, right? So hemisphere is just half of the sphere. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. So then we go to the second page. I will get the second page out, don't worry. Then I will drag it down. Okay, can you see the second page?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason why I like this why I like this platform, because I have it everywhere. So solve the simultaneous equation. So how do you solve this? Okay, did you already check with the calculator whether the x is
I do first, then I check calculator.
oh yeah, so have you checked with the calculator?
Yeah.
Good. So if you had okay, did you ask anyone or you just solve this by yourself? This part. Did you solve by yourself or you ask someone?
My teacher teach, and then I want to try the new method.
Teach what?
This other method. Besides.
So if okay, can I ask you honestly, if I give you another simultaneous equation, do you know how to solve? Huh? You know or you don't know?
Using
Any method except the calculator.
I think.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So solving the inequality, let's see. For this inequality, can I ask, did you divide by the negative number? Did you divide by a negative number here?
No.
If you did never divide by a negative number, why you go and switch the sign? Why you switch the sign? Can you explain why you switch the sign? What's the rule?
Divide by negative number
On both sides, right?
on both sides.
Then
And the answer must be a negative.
wrong.
Okay. No.
You see, you cannot remember the rule. Then how do you expect yourself to be correct? So you divide by what?
Is times or divide by negative number
What you do?
on both sides.
Then what you do?
And then you must switch the.
Yeah. So what you have done here? You divide by what?
What's there?
So do you need to switch the sign?
No.
No. Then why you switch the sign? Why? 为什么 you switch the sign here? Nonsense. So no need to switch the sign. So 8x divided by 8 is x. Then can you help me with the calculator? Minus 2 divided by 8. What is the answer? 为什么你 get minus 4?
Oh, I use 8 divided by.
Wait. What 8 divided by? What 8 divided by? What 8 divided by? Clearly over is divided by 8. 你在讲什么? You tell me it's 8 divided by? I thought you clearly wrote here divide by 8, right? Not 8 divide, right?
Yeah.
Then 你在做什么? So what is the correct answer?
Negative 0.25.
So how many mistakes in your solution here? What's the first mistake?
The changing of sign.
Why changing your sign?
Because I didn't divide by any negative numbers. So.
Uh-huh.
But then I changed the inequality sign.
Okay. Next, what's the second mistake?
I use 8 divide by.
Why 8 divide?
2.
Well, what you're supposed to do?
Negative 2 divide by 8.
Nice. Okay, next, question 5. So question 5 is very simple. 4 students take 3 days. Yeah, that's the way. No, this is not the way you do. You just 4 students, 3 days. So now they say 6 students. So can I ask you, your student increased by how much? You times what?
3 over 2.
Times 3 over 2? Times 1.5, yes. So your student increased, in a way, increased by 1.5, right? So do you think it will take less time or it will take more time to finish? Less. So instead of times 1.5 over here, you need to divide by 1.5. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So that's why it's 2 days. Does it make sense or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you make a over. Did you ask someone here for
No.
this? Huh?
No.
No. Okay, good. So you get the correct answer. Okay, this h is inversely proportional to k cube. Okay, this one is quite simple. Let me see. Correct. Then cross multiply. Okay, correct. 1k. So k is equal to 等一下啊，你这个错。Okay. Okay. So maybe this question I should write down h is equal 1000 for bigger value of k equals to 2 or something like that. Never mind. Never mind. Next. I probably need to give you more info. Actually, you don't need more info, but maybe it's not for your level, so you need more info. Never mind. Next question. Okay, let's go to page 3, which I will extract it out. Okay, can you see page 3 already? Okay, good. So page 3, can you move your cursor to page 3? So I know that you are paying attention. How come I cannot hear you at all?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So for this one, you times 4. For this one, over here you times what? Huh? You times 3 ah?
Yeah.
Then still cannot leh. Never mind, this question is not for you. Okay, this question is not for you. Okay, but this question is for you. The part B is for you. Okay, so part B, if I were to do it, you need to 这个不是 8 to a to the power 8 吗？ Then 为什么 I only see 3 of them only? This one is 8, right?
It look like 3.
Oh, okay, it look like a 3 to you. Okay, okay, let's just 3, okay? So let's just see it as a 3, okay? And I want to see whether you get it correct or not. Hold on, I'm looking at it. Hold on. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, factorize. Okay. Okay. 你这个你 take out what You take out the 5. Okay, good. You take out the what? Y or G? 为什么你这个 Y 看起来像 G 啊？ Okay. Can you make it bigger next time?
Okay.
And what they have? Minus. Okay. Okay. Take out. Okay, looks good. Did you ask somebody for this question?
No.
Okay, good. So all the work here. Next time when you ask somebody, right, can you note down like give a star so that I know that okay you ask you have asked somebody. The one without star that means never. Very good. Hey, you forget this question already Wrong Wrong Wrong. 25x squared is what? 5x squared. 5 square x squared. 47 is 49 is 7 square, right?
Yeah.
So what you have in the end? 5x square x square minus 7 square. You make everything into square. And what you have? What formula you use? The what? The rock The what? Quick.
You need to use the a square.
Correct. A square minus b square. And what's the formula?
Because the bracket.
Yep.
A plus b.
Correct. A minus b. And therefore, you need to get everything into square first. Once you get everything into square, then your answer is 5x minus 7 and then 5x plus 7. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Everything must be square first, before you can do the this. So your answer is wrong. Okay. Okay. Then for this one, let me see. 对. For this one is given that, then you sub in. Wait, when you sub in the value, how come your A here, right? Oh, okay, good. This one is okay. Okay, good. Okay. Next page. Page 4. Let me get the page 4 out. So this one is Pythagoras theorem or similar triangle. Did you align or not? Let me see if you have align. Okay, your this one no problem because you just copy this out only. Right?
Yeah.
Then your the other one, your this what? CB. So you say what? You say DAP. So DAP. Where's the 40 degree, by the way?
It's here.
Here, right?
Yeah.
Then 为什么你的 40 degree is here, then your 40 degree is on top now? Does it make sense to you? I asked you to match, right? Are you matching now? Are you matching? Tell me, are you matching? The 40 degree over here is on the at the bottom, and then the 40 over here is on the top. Are you matching or not?
No.
Then, if you don't match, do you think you get the answer? The first step is what? What is the first step for similar triangle? Come.
Match.
Match, right? Have you done that? Have you done that?
No.
Then if you don't match, then what you are doing now? By the way, who teach you to do this? 40 is here, very clear, and then you go and do the 40 here. Who teach you to do the 40 on top? One on top, one below. Who? 谁教的？水面啊？水面教自己啊？啊？ And I remember you make this mistake last time already, leh. You make this mistake more than 2 times already, okay? At least more than 2 times, okay? What are you waiting for now? Can you redo the question? Come, quick. I'm going to move it. Redo the entire question. Next time when you do similar triangle, you don't match. Wrong. By the way, before you continue, let me stop you. By the way, the question can give you 40 in this format below. The question can give you the 40 on top. The question can give you on top and below. You know why? The question want to confuse you. The question can give you one on the left, the one on the right. The question can give you any rotation. But what you need to do? What you need to do? What you need to do?
Match it.
Yes. The question will not give you the way you want it. The question will just rotate anyhow. But your job is to, whatever the question gives you in any rotation, you need to match regardless. If the question match for you, you are lucky. If the question never align for you, you need to align it for yourself. Then only you can match. You understand or not?
Yeah.
What's the first step next time? Similar triangles.
Match.
Match, yes. If the 40 is here, you better put your next one here as well. That's called matching. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead. I leave it to you now. I leave it to you now. Can you continue? Okay, this one you have no problem because you just copy only. No need to do any rotation. This one you need a bit of rotation. You are looking, by the way, you are looking at this one now. Match.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yep, you can draw it somewhere, a draft, and then later you can just copy. Very good. So you draw a draft for yourself. Good. Then label. That one is 25 lah, not 5. Okay, good. Now match. Match the angle, match the line, and then solve. So first thing first, state one pair of similar triangle. So what triangle is so which triangle is similar to which triangle? Right? Redo the entire question because you didn't match. You didn't match here, so everything is wrong. So you need to redo A, B, C. Can you do it now? It's not equal. You are so lazy. It's not equal. It's similar. You need to write is similar in words. Equal is wrong. It's not equal. Who asked to write equal here? 谁教的? This one. Who teach you to write equal? You 在等什么? Manage your space before you run out of space. Okay? Very good. Matching. Why? Because D match with this. Okay? If you cannot see, use a different color. Use a different highlighter. A match with B. Okay? Then finally P match with C. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, go ahead. What's the length of BC? Where you put the question mark? Yes. So, how?
You need to use
在等什么? Match. Are you matching the side? You match the angle already. Now you need to match the side. You 在等什么? Very good. How do you get from 18 to 25?
Times 25 over 18.
Okay, good. So how do you get from 9 to the question mark? Because 9 match with the question mark, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So you arrow from, yes. So you times the same thing, 25 over 18. So that's how you get the question mark. Very good. 12.5. Very good. Answer the last question. What's the angle? ADP. Where's the ADP? Can you label ADP? Can you label in your diagram ADP? Yes. So what's the angle? Yep. What's the angle? 多少? And what's the reason? First, what's the answer? Second, what's the reason? No reason, you get penalized. What's the reason? 50 or 50 degree? What's the reason? Thank you.
Triangle.
Huh? You see? You cannot remember all the reasons already. You better go back and read up on your notebook all the formulas, all the reasons. This is called angle sum of triangle. Angle sum of a triangle. 180 minus. Clear or not? Are you clear how to do such questions next time? What's the first step for similar triangles? Match, yes. Extract the triangles and match. Actually, to be more exact, you should extract the two triangles and then match. Match their sides. Match their angles. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can take a 5-minute break and we come back. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you in a while.